Hello everybody! Today we are making a little panda bear. Real quick, 2 sheets of paper, simple squares, and we're going to start with the head first, so let's get at it. Usual, fold it in half, doesn't matter color or white, side up, makes no difference. We're just folding these to make guidelines for us. Once again, open it up, fold it in half. Open it up. We're going to fold one corner to the center. One more time. Corner to center. Flip it over. You want to do the same thing, corner to the center. And repeat for the last one. Now here's the part that matters. Color right here. This edge to the center. Make sure you want the color part right here. Once again, edge to the center. Get that flap out. Don't worry about it. Repeat on the other side. Flap out, edge to center. Fold this tip to the bottom of the color, so fold it in half diagonally. And right here on the flap right here, just fold a little bit up. This is gonna be your nose. You don't have to make this thing super big, just a tiny bit. Hold the paper like this. You see the flaps under here? We're gonna pull the paper out, so just open it all up. You see how I opened everything up? Pull that paper out. The crease marks that are here already, we're gonna use them to put the paper back in. So starting from the top, work your way back down till you end right there where that corner meets. Flip it back up, flatten. So once again, fold it down, starting from the top till you meet the corner right here. And using the creases that are there already, squish down and flatten. Repeat on the other side. Open up, flap out, following the line till right where everything meets. Fold that little bit up and squish it down. It'll look like this. From there, we're gonna fold this flap corner to corner, corner to corner. Just fold it down. It's easier to start from the inside corner and work your way out. Once again, same thing on the other side, corner to corner. Open these up. Now from here, this is going to be a judgment fold. There's no exact measurements, but it's up to you. We're just going to fold a small amount of paper from this flap. You see where the eyes were here? In the middle, there's going to be that flap. Just going to get a little bit, and we're going to fold it in. So it looks like this. I just folded a little bit from the inside out. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, so just grab a little bit of and just fold down. Make it match the other side. Try to make them as even as or equal as much as you can. There we are. Once that's done, fold the eyes back down. Fold the eye back down. You will have to crease over that little corner bit a little bit, so don't worry about that. Now, fold this top part down. Grab the eye, pull it out. Same thing with the other one. Grab it, pull it out. Right there in the middle, on the top, there's little notches you can open up. Slip the corner of the eye in there. Slip the corner of the eye in there. Oh, right in there. There we go. From here, at the top, fold the corners to the center, straight across. Corner to center, straight across. Repeat on the other side. Now if you open up these triangles, the ones that you just folded, give a little squish, open up. So make the tip top of the squares match. So you're squash folding them. So once again, here's a triangle corner. Open it up. Squash and make the tip match the top of that square. Something looking like this. Now flip it over. You see where these corners are? You'll also have a line right here. It's the same thing. We're gonna fold the top, or basically the bottom, fold it upward. And we're gonna adjust it so it meets the corner and the corner of the ears. So once again, corner to corner, we're just gonna fold it up until it matches the corner and the corner of the ears, and squash it down, crease it down. There you go. Flip it back over. The bottom, there's no exact, so here again, there's nothing to go off on. So give an approximate fold around half, a little under that. Fold it in and fold it up to right below the nose. So once again, fold it up and fold it right below the nose. Crease that down, and these edges right here, slip it under the eye. And you're done with the head. The body's pretty simple. Fold the paper in half. Actually, let's fold it the other way. Color side up, fold it in half. Except the body's folding this way later. Just open it up. Have the crease going up, forward and away from you. Corner, this line, we're folding the corner in to meet the crease right here. Same thing on the other side. Bottom, we're just going to fold it in half from bottom to the center. So open it up. We'll take care of the corners first, with the diagonals and triangles. Bottom line to the diagonal crease that you just made, basically just folding in half right here. Fold it over, repeat. Fold it up and fold it over. To work on the bottom, same thing, bottom to the crease you made. Fold it up. At the corners right here, we're going to make a little triangle where you're folding from this edge to the top of this line right here. So, just meeting this edge to the top of the white rectangle right there. Same thing on the other side. Here, flip it over. Right where that triangle starts at the corner, I'm going to fold it horizontal. Just folding it up straight across, using that edge right here as the starting point. So once again, using that corner right here, we're just going to fold straight across, crease that down, and repeat on the other side. Crease that down. Almost done. Fold these triangles down. Using these triangles you made already, we're going to use, just push them outward. Push them out. Open them up, push them out, and flatten them up. Just give them a squish. Once again, open them up. That little corner popping out. Open them up, squish them flat. You already have all the lines and creases made already, so you're not making any new folds, but there you are. Turn it over, your body's done, so fold it in half. So it's around 45 degrees. And right at the back of the head, you see the little notch right there? You just lay the head right over the corner, right into the notch, and you're done with your panda bear. So, thank you everyone. Any comments, any questions, leave them on the comments, and like and subscribe because I'll be making a lot more videos. Thank you.